Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar General store and I see that they started putting out, I'm not sure if this is new stuff or not, but it looks like a lot of the garden, excuse me guys, looks like a lot of the garden and spring decor. So they have these little bunnies here, $2.50. These little bugs here. This is an insect pot hanger for $1. They have these mini garden Eiffel towers and arches for $1. Those little cute mini garden unicorns right there, they're $1. Those cute little yoga gnomes there for $1. So pretty much all of these things here for your garden are $1. Look at these little chairs right here, orange and blue. The little squirrels here, assorted animal decors for $1. So they have a lot of these little mini characters here. They have the little pigs, the little sheep here, and the cows for $1. Mini garden furniture here, and this is what they look like. Aren't those cute? Those are $1. The dogs in brown and black for $1. The mini garden hammock and grill here. Look at the little grills. Those are $1. And these little hammocks here. The mini garden fairy swings here. Those are cute. Those are $1. And these are the swings right here. Let me turn it over here so you can actually see it. But aren't those cute? And all of these are for $1. They have the pet stones here that says wolf and until we meet again. The little mini garden stakes here, the Disney. They have Minnie and Mickey. I see Bambi here. And let's see here. They have Goofy here as well. They have the little mini garden houses here. Those are really cute. These are all going for $1. They have these right here. Those are really cute. Okay, so I see these little cute pot holders here. You can call them pot holders or plant holders or whatever you want to use them for, but they come in turquoise, orange, and white. And they're $3.50. And they're in the shape of an owl. Now these are really cute right here, guys. These are the animal birdhouses. They have a frog, which is right there. They have the little pig. And I think I see a little cow back there, which is really, really pretty. And these are going for $5. Here are some more of the birdhouses right here. The little Cactus Birdhouses that says welcome. $5. I also see these little table decors right here. Love's patient, love is kind, never fails. Walk by faith, not by sight. Those are really cute. Okay, I also see these little table decors right here for $3. It's two little birds that are on a, look like a water container. Those are really cute. They also have the little mini garden gnomes here in different colors and yellow. They have this one here. They have that little one right there, which is very cute. And we pretty much have, those are all the ones that they have there. Look how cute those are. And let me put these back before somebody in the comments make a statement about me not putting things back the way they are. Also over here, I see these hanging decors here. Live, laugh, and love. Those are really pretty. $3. They have these little welcome signs right here, the little camper trailers. $3. They have them in pink. And they have this yellow one here, if you can see that. That's $3. And right here they have the, what are these? These are the garden stakes. They have Life is Better on the Farm. They have the chickens. I see cows right there. And looks like they still haven't put everything up. But here is another one here. It says Farm, Sweet Farm. And these are all going for $1, guys. Okay, so I see down here at the bottom they have these little gnomes right here. These little angel gnomes. They are going for $5. They also have those little stools there, the mushroom stools there, in red and green for $3. And look at this little mini garden fairy set. It's a 4-piece for $5. It comes with the house, the little gnome. It has a well, and it looks like something else, but I'm not sure what it is. Okay, it has a castle, the fairy decor, the Bible table, and the well. And these are all going for $5. I see these little mini garden pathways right here for $1. And they come in this one here, and they also have that one there. They have these little furniture decors here for $1. They have that little bench there and the little chair. Look how cute those are, and those are all going for $1. All right, guys, now this is a great find right here. I see these Bella Mason jars right here for $6. But they come in green, turquoise, and I see a gray one back there in the back. And it says Bella Mason on the front. And these are decorative garden flags here for $1. But they have them in that one, the one that says spring, and that pretty color back there. But they have a lot of nice things if you're planning to make your own garden this spring or summer. They have these little Tiki Lights here. And this is what they look like. They're going for $3. They have the solar animal lights here, the frog and the dog, for $3. I also see these lanterns up here as well. They are going for $5. And they're battery operated, LED. And on this little thing right here, they have, it looks like a mixture of tomatoes, seeds, things like that if you want to plant, microgreens for $1. And guys, they have tons and tons of planters. If you're looking for planters to plant a flower or something of that nature, they have these welcome ones right here for $1. They have those pretty ones right there in like a light beige, turquoise, and burgundy. And they're plastic. They're $4. They have these little cute ones right here for $2.50. They come in green and blue. That's the blue one. They also have these pretty ones right here with the little sign on them. And like I said, these are all plastic. They're $4. And they have that one as well. But as you can see, they have a lot of planters here. There's one right there that looks like a bell. A barrel. I'm not sure the price, $10 for that. And they have anything for your garden. They have wildflower blend. All of these are going for $2. They have the water pails here. The hummingbird nectar, the powder concentrate for $2.50. The sunflower bell here. This is going for, doesn't have a price on it, but it's for any type of bird. Sunflower bell with wild bird food. More of the planters down here at the bottom. But I just wanted to come in and take a look and see what they had to offer here, guys, for the spring. They have a lot of spring decor if you're looking for that. But I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys. They also have Hummingbird Feeders here if you're looking for one for $3. My mom, she loves those.